Hi, it's Mark Wheatley with Infront Consulting Group. We're here to discuss the Operations Manager Management Pack authoring class that we offer, a 3-day class customized by Infront. We develop inspired training from inspired people who do the development and practice. Our authors are experienced Management Pack authors, and you can expect to get guidance based on good experience. We have about a dozen other MVPs, Microsoft Most Valued Professionals on staff who contribute to this training. We update our content regularly. In fact, today I see an update for our Management Pack authoring class. We do focus at Infront on consulting services, training, and software development, namely Management Packs. So you have our core business. Who better to deliver our training for Management Pack authoring? We go well beyond the competitors in this arena to deliver value. We are also a certified provider of learning solutions, a Microsoft CPLS. As such, we accept your software assurance training vouchers for most classes. We practice everything that we advocate. We have hosted our labs in cloud-based scenarios so that you are able to access them 24 hours a day for the duration of your class. Your instructor, again, is a proven author of Management Packs, and as such is authoritative to cover the pain points that most other people feel when they try to undertake this alone. We do work with you as an individual. We listen to your specific needs. We assess those on the entry point of class. We don't treat you as some generic student, and we certainly don't read from the books or waste your valuable time in any way. What do we do? Starting with day one, we start out with proper planning. This, if not done from the outset correctly, tends to lead to poor results. So we have found from experience that planning from the beginning at the outset is of utmost importance. We go into the failure mode analysis disciplines of applications. We define and model our application. We use the popular tools. Currently, Visual Studio Authoring Extensions is the platform that we are using for most of the class. We also then create on the first day discoveries and monitors, including rules too, but we cover the difference between those and when we create each one. Throughout every day, we have a healthy balance of hands-on labs and discussion and demonstrations. We do a little bit more of the discussion and demonstrations at the outset, and then build up to more labs throughout days 2 and 3. Any tough questions can be handled or answered by our staff of a dozen or so MVPs. On day 2, we'll continue with the composition, get into the basics of workflows and modules. Cookdown is something that is a fascinating aspect of MP development that is often not practiced by others, creating inefficient management packs that use too many resources. So that's covered, and best practices are passed on to you. We cover how to debug workflows. We create diagnostics to probe a health state. We create recoveries to attempt to change health state. And we have best practices again, because we know this is where customers trying to take this on their own sometimes don't get the best results. And throughout we have those best practices, the healthy balance of labs, discussion, and demonstrations. On the third and final day, we cover tasks and views. We create those, we build them, we build reports, we build linked and custom reports both. We have a little basic review of Transact SQL, and it's quite lab heavy on day 3, because by this time you'll want to practice all those great things that you've been learning about on days 1 and 2. So where do you go from here to become a part of this? Please visit our website at infrontconsulting.com services education. You can also register for a class by emailing training@infrontconsulting.com. Thanks very much, and look forward to seeing you in class.